Hi there. Foldable and portable drones are not something new, and we have seen good examples of this form factor before. A new Kickstarter project promises to simplify autonomous drones with LeveTop. The LeveTop is an autonomous folding drone. The LeveTop comes in a cylindrical shape much similar to the Google Hub or the bigger Amazon Echo speakers. The makers like to call the LeveTop an intelligent drone, and the functionality is mostly focused on capturing high-quality photographs by making use of autonomous GPS tracking. This drone comes equipped with a digital camera with CMOS sensor. The stabilized camera offers a 120-degree FOV, a feature that will come in handy to shoot panoramas and larger landscapes. That being said, the drone doesn't come with a separate controller and can be controlled using the smartphone app. Interestingly, one can maneuver the drone by making use of the accelerometer on the smartphones. Once set, the LeveTop will ensure that you are in its field of view and will follow you accordingly. The makers of this drone do understand the need to share your memories, and it is for this reason they have integrated their device with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. The geofence feature will help keep your drone within the predefined area. This not only ensures that the drone will not fly beyond the range but will also ensure that it doesn't wander into the no-fly zones. The wing arms fold into the body, and the drone can be carried around easily. Each charge cycle is rated to offer a flight time of 20 minutes with maximum speeds of 54 km per hour. The estimated shipping date is June 2018. Thanks for watching us. Bye.